Hi, today I'll run you through Console. Console is the best way to navigate and execute in crypto. So we do this by combining smart accounts with a purpose-built interface to navigate multi-chain, as well as an execution stack, which includes relaying transactions, managing them, and automating them. You can do things very fast, and it supports individuals all the way up to enterprises with team capabilities. So for execution, you can do very obvious and recurring actions like swapping directly in Console, again, multi-chain, sort of a meta aggregator. You can land on Aave and soon other protocols in a single transaction. Everything on Console can be bundled. So you can supply, borrow, and repay or rebalance a position in one click. And you can also run automations, which the Brahma team has built. This supports signing something now and executing it over time, and it supports on-chain and off-chain logic. So randomizing the execution, having a specific price at which to execute the TWAP, all of this works, and it's multi-chain. And now we're opening up an API so that builders can build automation experiences on Console by only taking care of when to trigger a transaction. We will take care of the whole execution of the transaction as well as the security angle. You can also bridge directly in the app without leaving it. And if you want to connect to any dApp, we make it very easy to search security dApps, but you can also input any custom dApp you would want to go to. And you can basically open any dApp up and loading with Brahma Connect, which is a part of our own stack that we built, allows you to bundle transaction on any dApp security and in a generalized format. What this means is you can click on Aave, and we're simulating with our infrastructure what this approval would mean for Aave, and now passing it back to Aave. So now Aave will think that you really approved, but you haven't signed any transaction for it. So you can go ahead and actually prepare the supply, and you can go on and do a very long strategy or transaction and sign it all in one transaction, saving time, cost, and most importantly, very secure. And if you're a multi-sig like an enterprise, like our clients on the treasury or fund side, you saved a ton of multi-sig time, or maybe you're just a whale that likes to multi-sig for security. So all of this is generalized. It works on any dApp that supports RPC, basically reading. And lastly, team management. You have access control and you have the ability to create sub-accounts and split them with different funds and responsibilities with your team, different ownership. And you can also add actual policies to them. And what policies do, they can restrict what can be done on a specific sub-account, such as which tokens, which protocols can be used. And again, this is generalized. You can input any contract address. This all scales, and everything in Console is kind of compounding. If we improve the swap, it will then automatically improve the TWAP. If we improve the policies are used with sub-accounts for any automation that the client signs up. So everything is connected and everything evolves together. Now we're pushing it to more chains, opening up the development to third parties, and basically scaling it by connecting sexes to it and making it the long-term place to store and manage all your crypto journey. Thank you so much.